course, I'd like to greet our Excellency, Ambassador to the Philippines, the Ambassador of South Africa, Her Excellency Martina from this Woodward Rapide Tiense. I'm sorry if I was not able to pronounce your name properly. Of course, we also have a good friend of Secretary Tila, the Honorable Gatsi Khan, Ambassador, former Ambassador to the Philippines. Our friends from Australia, Her Excellency Miss Bindi Moore, Second Secretary and Consul, and then Miss Alea Carpio and Miss Jane Bahet for coming over. Of course, Mr. Daniel Chessy, UNODC, Mr. Gustavo Gonzalez, UN Resident and Humanitarian Coordinator in the Philippines. Thank you for your very enlightening speech about why we are celebrating Nelson Mandela, International Day for Nelson Mandela today. Of course, Rafa from UNODC, Martin also from UNODC, of course my good friend, Presidential Advisor on Muslim Affairs, Secretary Al Tila. And then, of course, my mentor or my supervisor, Yusek Deo Marco, representing our Secretary of Justice, Attorney Benvenido Benitez, Administrator of Parole and Probation Administration. Of course, Yusek Calizo, Chairperson of Bureau of Pardons and Parole, Attorney Persida Rueda, our ever energetic and beautiful Chief of the Public Attorney's Office, and then Mr. Ray Sanglay of Dole, represented by Attorney Girasol, and of course our good friend, Asek Nico Labano, the spokesperson of DOJ. Today indeed is a great day for all of us, for you also, PDL. If not for Nelson Mandela, you will not be treated like this. He suffered 27 years of incarceration. So if you also include this GCTA, he could have served more than 40 years. We were so lucky he came over in 1997 in the living person. And today, he's not with us, but what is important is we have someone from his country coming over so that our Excellency Ambassador of South Africa will know that we are really indebted to Nelson Mandela. We are really indebted to him. If you can see that in the wall, we are guided with the Mandela rules of treating our PDLs. And then other United Nations standards, minimum standards to take care of you. We really, just like South Africa, who went through a really difficult time, just like the Philippines, we are really indebted to Nelson Mandela. This is one thing I want to emphasize to you. If not for this person who became the President of South Africa, we will not be guided on how to treat you properly, with human rights, with your dignity intact, even if you are serving your sentences. So, from the bottom of our heart, Your Excellency, we would like to inform you, and please relay it to your country, to your president, that really we honor Nelson Mandela today because he is a great person, great man, great leader. So I think that's the message that I have to tell to you. It is the leadership. It all boils down to leadership. Even if you are incarcerated, you have that strength to forgive and forget and to move on and to lead your country to greater heights. So again, Your Excellency, it's really a great day, and we would like to honor your great leader. Thank you very much to the great leader, Nelson Mandela. Mabuhay si Nelson Mandela.